Introduction to Google Adsense, how it works and how you can earn money. Presenter at a desk with a laptop. The Google Adsense logo appearing on screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a content creator, blogger, or website owner, then today's video is for you. We're going to dive into one of the easiest ways to monetize your website and content, Google Adsense. Stick around because I'm going to break down what it is, how it works, and how you can start earning money with it. Google Adsense dashboard and examples of ads displayed on websites. So, what exactly is Google Adsense? In simple terms, it's a program by Google that allows you to place ads on your website, blog, or YouTube videos. Every time someone views or clicks on those ads, you make money. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income. Animated diagram showing how ads are placed on a website and how revenue is generated through clicks and impressions. Here's how it works. You sign up for Google Adsense and connect your site to their network. Google automatically matches ads to your content based on what your audience is interested in. When visitors to your site view or click on the ads, you earn a portion of the revenue advertisers pay Google. The amount you earn depends on factors like the type of ad, the content of your site, and where your audience is located. Visual, a checklist of requirements for joining Adsense. Now, before you rush off to sign up, it's important to know that not every website is eligible for Adsense. Here are the basic requirements. You must be 18 years old. Your website needs to comply with Google's policies, meaning no illegal content, copyrighted material, or excessive adult content. Your content must provide value and be original. Your site should have a sufficient amount of content for Google to analyze. If you meet these criteria, you're good to go. Step-by-step tutorial of the sign-up process on the Google Adsense website. Signing up is easy. Head over to adsense.google.com and create an account. Add your website details and submit it for review. Once Google approves your site, you'll get access to your dashboard where you can generate ad code to place on your website. Different ad formats: text, image, video, and how they appear on a website. Now, let's talk about the different types of ads you can run. Text ads are simple and consist of clickable links. Image ads can be banners or small images placed anywhere on your site. Video ads show video content. And responsive ads automatically adjust their size to fit different devices and screen sizes. Diagram of optimal ad placement on a website header, sidebar, within content. Where you place your ads matters. Typically, ads perform best in the header, sidebar, or in between content. But be careful not to clutter your site with too many ads. This can turn visitors away.